Guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have not gone to Walmart yet and done my Ibotta haul. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to. I'm feeling a little under the weather, but I wanted to at least share another 2 scenarios for you and the tips again and some tricks for the Walgreens Beauty Event going on tomorrow. So excited about this event. I look forward to it so much. I use my points a lot to help keep my out-of-pocket really low. So these events is what helps us replenish our points for the next couple of months. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. That way, when I post new deals or savings ideas, you guys will be notified. So I did post another video. I will have it linked in the description box as well as at the end of this video with 2 other scenarios that you guys could do. One of them is very beginner friendly. We have some paper coupons, some digital coupons, you name it, tons of scenarios for you guys so you can figure out which one works best for you based on the coupons and digitals that you guys have available. So I went over these tips in my last video. In case you haven't checked out that video, I want to go over them again for you guys. So this is on the spend 25 on beauty items, you're going to get 7,000 points back. There is a paper booster that you can get from a Walgreens location with a beauty consultant. Now, all I did to find one with a beauty consultant, I just Googled it and then called a couple locations. So now I know there's one near my home and one near my job where there is a beauty consultant that I can grab that booster from. I also posted a photo, a very clear photo that one of my subscribers emailed me of the paper booster. And one of my subscribers gave me the most brilliant idea: print it out, cut it out, and see if they will scan that. A lot of cashiers just won't scan something from your phone because there's been a lot of coupon fraud, and I've heard, especially at Walgreens, people will somehow create fake boosters to get back all these points and stuff. I don't even know how that is a thing, but unfortunately it is. So that's why a lot of them will not scan it from your phone. But if you print it out, they may scan it and be able to give you back those 7,000 points as well. There is also a digital booster. I will share the photos on the next slide. So not every account does get the digital booster, unfortunately. I found mine from a desktop computer. I could not find it on the app on my phone. I just didn't see it at all. So what I would recommend is go to a desktop computer and just go to your coupon folder. I didn't click any specific tab at the top. I just scrolled through and found the digital booster. It will say sneak peek on it because it's not valid yet today. It will start tomorrow and be able to be used tomorrow during the beauty event. Tip number 3, they do stack. So when you spend $25 on beauty products, you will get 14,000 points back, which is why a lot of these become such huge money makers. And you could possibly be hitting beauty if you have some beauty on your account already. You could hit beauty and get another 5,000 points, which I'm super excited about. Tip number 4, you can also use the paper booster multiple times. I saw on Couponing with Kayla on YouTube, separate person from Couponing with Kayla on Instagram, I believe, that they finally changed the wording on the paper booster. So we'll take a look at that in a second, where you can use it multiple times. Tip number 5, it is a spend booster. So do not pay with points. You can pay with register rewards and cash. That way you will get those points back. Some locations will tell you the wrong information. All of these things below now are going to be false. And a lot of my subscribers have told me that that is what they have been told from locations. One is that you can only use it once. That is not true, and I believe they even changed the wording on the paper coupon to make sure that we don't have those issues anymore. Number 2, some of you guys are still even telling me that the cashiers say you have to spend $25 after all coupons, digital coupons, manufacturer coupons, IVC coupons, whatever, to then get the 7,000 points back. That is not true. If they say that, just have them scan the paper booster. Just agree with them. Okay, that's fine. No problem. Just scan this. Do the, give them the paper coupons and everything. Hopefully they'll be nice and just kind of see if it works. Just ask them, hey, I understand where you're coming from. I'm sure that's what your manager has mentioned to you. You know, I've done these beauty events a couple times. Let's just see how it goes, right? And then you'll get your 7,000 points back and hopefully you won't have an issue. Number 3, they have been told that they won't give you the booster until you do a transaction, spend $25 out of pocket on beauty, then they give you the booster and you can use it on your next transaction. Again, that is not true. You do not have to spend anything first. Sometimes, the last time I did the beauty event, the beauty booster is in the bag. And this is a beauty consultant I go to for this event every time. So she's so great. So she mentioned, I'm not allowed to give you the beauty booster, but when you come up to me with your transaction, I will scan it for you for the transaction. So that is fine, of course, no big deal on that. So if any of these things happen to you, the only thing I can suggest is try to make sure you're going to a Walgreens that you know does well with the beauty event and understands the couponing policies. Or you can just say, okay, I understand, go through the whole thing. If they won't scan that paper booster, you can call customer service or live chat them, which is what I do now because it's way easier. You can live chat them and then they can give you the points back. So real quick, let me show you how you live chat them because I know some of you guys ask me that question. So when you're on the Walgreens, I have all these pop-ups from Swagbucks and Rakuten. Okay, so when you're on the Walgreens home site, so like you just log in or just come into Walgreens, this is what it looks like. I'm already logged on. You scroll all the way to the bottom. Now there's a contact us under customer service. You want to click the contact us right here. If you can see where my mouse is under the balance rewards. So you click contact us. Then if my internet will get going, there we go. Then you're going to click this, need help live chat. When you click it, a separate little box will pull up. You put your name. You click chat now, and then it'll tell you what queue you are. And see, bam, he popped up right away. So, okay, so let me end that real quick because I don't want to waste his time. I don't need that. But I just wanted to share that with you guys super fast on how you guys can live chat. So see how quickly I got a representative? When you call, depending on the time of day that you call, it can be a long time waiting. So I try to be as quick as possible. So these are the boosters. This is a digital booster, right? It says sneak peek. I did clip it, send it to my card. It's only valid the 20th to the 22nd. So Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. This is a picture, oh, go back. This is a picture of the paper booster. So it just says, I don't know, I'm sure you guys probably can't see it, it's too small. Limit 1 coupon per transaction, which means one of these boosters can only be scanned once. They could scan it 100 times, it'll only work once. And 1 invitation per household. Coupon may be used multiple times. It says it right on there. So they can read that, bam, they have to go by it. That is what Walgreens has put out. I want to give you guys an update. I'm so excited about this deal. So I posted this as a possibility because I posted my first 2 scenarios last week before all the pricing and everything updated this week for exactly what products would be available. And it is buy one, get one half off. Now I know a lot of you are going to tell me overages is not allowed at Walgreens. They will not pay you out the 77 cents, but I have personally done this deal in the past where it gives you a little bit of overage. I've done it on this Neutrogena acne bar, and I've done it on a Neutrogena face blush where we had $4 coupons and it was also buy one, get one half off. It gave me a little bit of overage. Both of the coupons worked. Because I did have other things, of course, in the transaction, so it won't make it negative. So it will work, I promise you. I will incorporate this in one of my deals Thursday when I do my beauty event haul. So I will show you guys exactly how it works. So our first scenario is going to be based on online price matching. So if your store price matches, then you definitely want to do this scenario super low out of pocket, especially if you're going to use register rewards. Now, some stores price match and some do not. I do have 2 stores that'll price match and 2 stores that won't. So it just kind of depends on your store and the management, to be honest. So all you have to do is ask at the front, hey, do you guys price match the Walgreens online pricing? They'll say yes or no, and then you know if you can do these deals with this pricing. So the first thing you want to grab is one of the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blushes. Online, they're just $5.89. In store, they're like $9.59 or something. They're very expensive. L'Oreal is buy one, get one half off. So you're going to grab two of the L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Lips. They're $5.99 online. The second one would be half off at $2.99. One of the Neutrogena Nourishing Eyeliners at $5.69. Two of the Shea Moisture Curl Cream. In store, they're either $3.99 or $4.29 depending on your region. Online, they're $3.39, so that saves you a little bit as well. Those are also buy one, get one half off, so the second one would be $1.69. One of the Nivea lotions, they're $5.99, and two Wet n Wild products. So Wet n Wild is 25% off. So this 89 cents is already with the 25% off taken off. So one of the eyeliners and then one of the lipsticks. That'll bring your total to $33.41. Now, I know you guys are wondering, why did she go so far over the $25 mark? But it's because we have some IVC coupons. Remember, your total has to be $25 on the nose, not $24.99. Has to be $25 after any Walgreens store coupons, which are the IVC coupons, but before manufacturer coupons. So hopefully that doesn't confuse you guys. I will break it all down for you as you know, so stay tuned. Here are the coupons. The next slide I will go over, show you guys the actual photos of the coupons so you know what you're looking for. The $3 Neutrogena Face digital coupon. Previously, last week on my Instagram, I posted what coupons to print immediately that were available from coupons.com. There were a ton of makeup and beauty coupons available, so hopefully you guys saw that and you were able to get those printed. That is why following me on my Instagram is so important. I try to give you guys a heads up on as much as I can so you don't miss out on any savings. I did just reach 2,000 followers on my Instagram, which was super exciting. So then you're going to grab or clip to your card the $2 Neutrogena Eye or Face IVC coupon. Now the IVC coupons, I will show you a picture of what the digital version looks like. You can also get them from the Walgreens Book of Savings. It's that free little booklet you can grab at the front of the store. I just like to have the digitals clipped so I don't have to remember which ones to have them scan. It just makes it a little bit more convenient and less stressful at checkout. I also have a 5 off of 2 L'Oreal Eye, Face, or Lip digital. Not every account would have gotten that. It did say just for you coupon, so only some accounts will have that one. A $2 L'Oreal Lip IVC. That will come off twice. Both of them I put ×2 because they're both off of each one. And a 5 off of 2 Shea Moisture digital coupon. We do have 2 digitals for Shea Moisture. One is for face and one is for hair. Obviously, definitely clip both of them, but I'll show you which one applies to the hair in a minute. And the $2 Nivea Lotion digital. We don't have any coupons for the Wet n Wild, but that winds up being okay because then you can use register rewards for those items. That way the register reward will attach and you can lower your out-of-pocket even more. My goal tomorrow is to spend less than $5 out of pocket. It's always my goal to keep it super low. So this is a photo of the digitals. So as you see, it says $2 off with card. Anything that says with card is a Walgreens IVC coupon. See how these don't say with card? These are manufacturer coupons. And then the other coupons were the paper coupons, of course. So look out for these in your coupon folder. Make sure you clip them and send them to your card. So here is the final breakdown. Total is $33.41. Then we have to take off those IVC coupons. Now our total is just over $25 at $25.41. So we're good to go. We'll get back both of the points. Total for the rest of the coupons is $17.50. You'll be left to pay just $7.91 plus taxes out of pocket. You can use up to 4 register rewards. Not that you'd really need to, because the register rewards we've been getting, if you've been following my recent Walgreens hauls, are like $3, $4, and $5. So you'd really only need to use 2, And honestly, I would only recommend using 2 because they would attach to the Wet n Wild products. That way the system won't kind of freak out and kick out one of your digital coupons. So of course, I'll show you guys what I'm exactly going to be doing tomorrow in my Walgreens Beauty Event haul. I will share that with you guys and share you the receipts, of course, let you know exactly what to expect. You'll get back the 7,000 points from the paper booster, 7,000 points from the digital booster, potentially 5,000 points if you reach beauty from spending $50 on beauty products at Walgreens. Without that, though, it'll be free and a $6.09 moneymaker, which is absolutely amazing. I love this scenario because price matching allows you to get a lot more bang for your buck. And you don't need any filler items in this scenario to use the register reward. So this one I think is super easy. Scenario number 2. This one is not online price matching anything. So if your store does not price match, this will still be a good scenario for you. You're going to grab 2 of the Shea Moisture Black African Soap Bars. They're $3.99. They are buy one, get one half off. So the second one would be $1.99. 2 of the Old Spice body washes. They're on sale 2 for $12 this week. Then Almay is 30% off, and when you buy 2, you'll get a $5 register reward. Now, quick tip again. So if you have the $5 Revlon or Almay register rewards that you've done previously in this week, do not use those register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket in this particular scenario because you cannot roll a register reward into its own deal. So if I use a $5 register reward, oh, go back. Calm down. There we go. Okay, I touched the screen. Don't do that. If you use a $5 register reward, this register reward will not print. So just be aware of that. Make sure you're reading your register rewards so you're using the right ones. Fingers crossed I don't mess that up myself tomorrow. Have to make sure I take my time and go slow. So one of these smart shades you're going to want to grab, it's a primer. It counts as a face product. It'll be $5.59. That's already with the 30% taken off. And one of the All the Benefits mascara, they will be $4.40. Total is going to come to $27.97. The coupons you're going to want to use is the 5 off of 2 Shea Moisture, the facial one, not the hair. Obviously, again, clip them both. They're both amazing coupons. The $3 Almay face coupon, if you got the Smart Source insert on Sunday, I recommended you guys buy at least one because those makeup coupons in there were amazing. A $3 Almay eye coupon from the same Smart Source. And those coupons are a limit of 1. That's why I'm using 1 face and 1 eye because you can't use like 2 eye. Then there is an older digital. It's for $5.49 off of 2. If you still have it, it's off of Old Spice dry spray or body wash. So it will attach to these body washes as well. Total for the coupons is going to be $16.49. So this is a picture of what the 2 digital coupons you would be using look like. See how the Shea Moisture, this is for skin care products. So you just want to make sure that you have the right ones clipped, of course, for the deals that you're going to be doing. And this one shows it's off of the body wash or the dry spray. And the other 2 coupons here are the paper coupons. Final breakdown on this one, we don't have any IVC coupons or anything that we need to worry about. So the total for the coupons is $16.49. You'll be left to pay $11.49 plus taxes. You can use up to 2 register rewards. One will attach to one of the Shea Moisture products. The Shea Moisture coupon will attach to the other one, and one will attach to one of the Old Spice body washes. You'll get back a $5 register reward from the Almay, 7,000 points for the paper booster, and 7,000 points from the digital booster, making your final cost free and a $7.52 moneymaker. No matter how you spin it, we are definitely going to be getting tons of moneymaker deals tomorrow for the Walgreens Beauty Event. I'm so excited about that. Give the video a big thumbs up if you love these scenarios. Share them with your friends and family. Even if they don't need particular beauty items, they can get the points that they're needing. That way, when they go buy the laundry products or the paper products or food, they can use the points to lower their out-of-pocket cost. And of course, stay tuned on my channel tomorrow. I will be posting the beauty event haul. I try to post it around lunch as soon as possible because I shop at lunch, and then I edit the video and try to post it as soon as I can so you guys have a heads up on exactly what to expect. If you haven't checked out my other Walgreens Beauty Event scenarios, click this video in the top left-hand corner. You'll get 2 additional scenarios for some other deals that you can grab tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.